Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. My name is Imani, and today we are going to be cash stuffing money into our 2024 challenge. This is by Nita at the Almost Organized Owl. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I hope you all are doing well today. I'm filming this at night, so I am just wanting to film this video to stay consistent. If you saw my last video, you know that we had to take money from our emergency fund to purchase a hot water heater. And so now I have to rebuild our emergency fund, and we're going to use this challenge right here, the one that I've been working on all year long, to finish off the savings and use that money to replace our emergency fund. So we have $200 here that we are stuffing today. This is prop money, and I do have an online savings account that I have been transferring money to. So we transferred $200 to this account, and let's go ahead and do a screenshot to show you how much is in the account at the moment. And I think we're now over $1,000. So we have our $1,000 emergency fund savings, and now we're going to finish this off so we can save so that we can save $2,024. So I think we are able to color in all of these numbers here and then one extra number. Okay, so that's 194, and then we're going to color in the 6. So let's go ahead and color everything in. I hope everyone is doing well and you are preparing for Thanksgiving. It's, I think, 2 weeks away. We are actually going to be hosting Thanksgiving this year, and I'm excited about it. So we are getting everything stocked up so that we can have the things that we need in order to host. And I've been cleaning as well and trying to declutter things. We've been working on decluttering my garage, which I have been wanting to do that all year long. So I'm happy that we're finally able to tackle it now that we're having guests over for Thanksgiving. So it's exciting. All right, and I think the last one is this 6 here. And we are all set. So we're making great progress towards this challenge, and hopefully we'll be able to finish this challenge. And then we do have these scratch offs left, but hopefully we'll be able to finish this challenge so that we can replace the emergency fund as soon as possible. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, this short and sweet video. Please be sure to give it a like and comment down below how your week is going, and are you ready for Thanksgiving? And I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.